How to fix Instagram Reels quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels quality on Android phone. First, open Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you found here update, just click on it. Now click settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again, and here type Instagram and click on it, and then just click storage and clear cache, this one here, and that's it. Now go try again, and if that also doesn't fix your problem, now open Instagram and then go to settings here, settings, this one, and then wait, click settings and then click account, and here we'll find cellular data use and disable data saver, and I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.